Hey YouTube, and welcome to Credit Oaks. In today's video, I'm going to tell you about a secret trick, tip or hack that you can call it to upgrade your Capital One Quicksilver or Capital One Platinum card into the higher tier card. This is something that you really need to know, because one thing is very important right here, that if you apply for any Capital One card, it's most likely that either you get Quicksilver or Platinum MasterCard with very low limits. But when you upgrade it to the higher tier card, it means higher credit limits. At the same time, you'll get more perks, and sometimes there's no annual fee as well. Well, remember that this is something that you really need to focus on, and you need to watch it till the end if you would like to upgrade it. I'm also going to paste the link, or you can call it the secret link of this very important trick in the video description. You can simply go there, click on it. I'll show you how you can do that, so just bear with me just for a minute. But remember, this is something that you really need to know if you carry a Quicksilver card or Platinum MasterCard. That is the first tier card, then the higher tier card will be after that. And remember that if you appreciate our content, then make sure you smash the like button on this video, as it helps this video and the channel as well. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click on the bell icon so you can watch our videos every single day. So as you can see, that let's start with the Quicksilver card. You can see right here that if you have a Quicksilver card, then there's no application required for that, of course, and it has the same account and card number. The APR is a bit higher, and they can give a $400 credit limit that remains unchanged. Means, like, of course, they will not increase the credit limit, so you need to understand. But when you go to the higher limit credit cards or higher tier credit cards, then what would happen, that it will actually give you an increased credit limit, sometimes more than $10,000. Totally depends on how you are dealing with Capital One and this financial institution, as this is very important. So if you applied for a Capital One credit card, then it's most likely that you have either these two credit cards, Quicksilver right here, or you might have the Platinum card. But the link that I'm going to give you, when you click on it, and you need to sign in into your account, and I'll show you what the link is all about. Well, when you click on the link, this page will open right here. You need to put your username and your password if you already have a Capital One account. And moving on with the details that how you can do, or the trick or a hack that you can use to do it. Well, when you click on the link, you log into your account, this page will open. You need to click right here on upgrade now. As soon as you click on it, remember that it will actually take you to this one, and they will actually tell you that you can actually either go for Venture card or Quicksilver One card. Well, let's say that you clicked on upgrade, then of course it's gonna give you it's gonna tell you that you already have your current card, that is Quicksilver, and in my case this is what happened. And then they will say that the other option you have is Venture One. Well, let's go towards Venture first. Well, it has no application fee, same account and card number, 14.15% valuable APR. You remember with that one it was around 25% in the Quicksilver. I'll actually go back, yes, 24.24%, so it's almost 25%. And right here you can get a credit limit of up to $22,000, and that remains unchanged. Just imagine, from $400 to $22,000. That's a huge jump. And please note, this upgrade doesn't include promotional offer or bonuses that are for new customers. Or you can go for Venture One. Well, Venture One is actually a travel card, so you can actually get 1.25 miles for every dollar you spend, and it also has zero annual fee. While this one that I was telling you, where you can get up to $22,000 worth of credit limit, the upgrade fee, the annual fee, I apologize, is $95. So please keep this in mind. When you click on it, it will actually take you to this screen, your new Quicksilver card. So what happens that if you select the Quicksilver One card, it can actually give you the Quicksilver One card option as well. And right here, this card arrives at 7 to 10 business days. In my case, it actually gave me this screen because I upgraded to Venture One because I travel a lot, so I needed the miles for it, and it also has 0 annual fee. And it gave me this screen that congrats, your new Venture One card will be mailed in 7 to 10 business days. It may take 2 to 3 business days to start earning rewards, so you can still use your current card while you wait for the new one to arrive. An email will be sent to your new card on its way. Remember, your account number will not change, but your security code and expiration date will change, so be sure to update any recurring charges you have as soon as you get your new card. And this is something that a number of people benefited from. And when you successfully upgrade your credit card, make sure you comment in the video section that I got approved or I got upgraded. It means a lot to us as we upload videos for you every single day on Credit Oaks channel. And don't forget to smash the like button on this video as it helps this video and the channel as well. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next video very soon. Till then, please take care and have a nice day.